In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the website name in Webflow. Updating your website name is a simple but important adjustment that can help keep your branding consistent and professional. Whether you're rebranding your project, organizing multiple websites, or simply correcting the current name, Webflow makes the process quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently update your site name without any confusion. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Webflow. Once the platform loads, sign into your account to access your dashboard and project settings. After logging in, look toward the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu icon, commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. This icon is represented by three horizontal lines stacked on top of one another. Clicking this menu icon will open a list of additional options and settings related to your account and projects. From the available menu items, select Site Settings. This section contains the main configuration controls for your website, including general project information, publishing settings, and customization options. After selecting Site Settings, allow the page a moment to fully load. Depending on your internet connection or the size of your project, it may take a few seconds before all the settings become visible. Once everything appears on the screen, locate the section labeled Site Name. This field displays the current name assigned to your website. Now, click inside the site name field and replace the existing text with your preferred new website name. Take your time when choosing the updated name, especially if it represents your brand, business, or project identity. A clear and professional site name can help improve organization and make your project easier to recognize inside your dashboard. Once you've entered the new name, make sure to click the Save button so your changes are properly applied. Saving is an important step because it ensures the updated information is stored within your project settings. After saving the changes, you should also notice a Publish option near the top section of the page. Click Publish to update the live version of your website with the new site name. Publishing makes sure the changes are reflected across your project and visible where applicable. When the publishing process is complete, return to your Webflow dashboard to confirm that everything updated correctly. Find the project you just edited and check the displayed name. You should now see your newly updated website name appearing properly within your project list. And that's it! You've successfully changed and published a new website name in Webflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.